Today's recipe is going to be every kid's dream come true, and elders are surely going to fall in love with it. Because today we are going to make Nutella filled cookies. But before we dive into today's recipe, if you are looking to level up your baking game, turn simple ingredients into stunning desserts while mastering the professional recipes, then you have come to the right place because that's exactly what I do. I upload once a week, and if this sounds delicious to you, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive into our today's recipe. Before we dive into our Nutella filled cookies recipe, let me tell you which all ingredients we will be using to make our cookies. First of all, I have over here all purpose flour, which will be 90 grams. This will provide main structure and body to our cookies. It will help in gluten development, for which we will be able to have spread cookie. But we will make sure that there is not much gluten formation because we don't want the structure like a cake or a bread. We just want enough structure that the cookie holds its place and it can hold the Nutella filling inside it. I have used all-purpose flour 90 grams. Second, I have corn flour. I have taken half teaspoon only. It will help in give that chewy effect to our cookies. Next ingredient which I will be using is baking soda. I will be using 1/4 teaspoon. Baking soda needs acid medium, for which we will be adding curd in our cookies. Baking soda will help in formation of carbon dioxide and help cookies spread little bit and have that crinkle top on the cookies. Next ingredient which we will be using is salt. We will be just adding pinch of salt to elevate the taste of our cookies. Then in our wet ingredients, we will be using unsalted butter. I have taken 50 grams of unsalted butter. It will add richness, tenderness and flavor to our cookies. It will also help us get crispy edges and chewy in the center. Next ingredient which we will be using is curd. Curd we will be using to activate our baking soda, and it will also act as egg replacement in this cookie recipe. It will It will also balance the sweetness and tanginess of Nutella, because the Nutella will be sweet and it will give little bit slight tanginess due to curd, so it will balance out in our cookie recipe. Then we will add a small amount of vanilla extract, just a half teaspoon, to give that warm and deep depth to our cookie flavors. And as a sweetness, we will be using powdered sugar and brown sugar. Powdered sugar I will be using 50 grams and brown sugar I will be using 25 grams. Now, powdered sugar will be smooth and give tender texture, and it will dissolve quickly with butter, whereas brown sugar will help us in getting the chewy cookies, and as it's a molasses, when combined with butter, it will create a chewy center to our cookies and also give a distinct flavor to our cookies. Then lastly, I have here Nutella. I have taken around 60 grams of Nutella for around 5 to 6 cookies. So we will pipe a bowl, or we will also be using it in a silicone mold and then put it in refrigerator to set. So once the Nutella is set, we will take it out and stuff it between our cookie dough. So it will be used around 60 grams for 5 to 6 cookies. And then there is choco chip. It's completely optional. If you want to mix it with the cookie dough, you can do it, or if you just simply want to put it on the cookie before baking, you can also do it that way. I prefer putting choco chip on the top of cookie before baking, because I want the whole cookie to be main focused on the Nutella filling inside the cookie. So now let's start making our cookie dough. Before that, I will pipe Nutella in a round silicone mold and let it set in refrigerator. I will also mention all the ingredients in the comment section, pinned comments, so you can check that out as well. I have already said it out loud, but if you have any doubt, you can check out in pinned comments. So here I will take a piping bag. Take all the Nutella from the bowl. Now we will just press it down and then cut the cone. Here I am going to use this silicone mat. Now I will fill it 3/4 level, so it's not too big because I don't have this smaller silicone mold right now available with me. So I will fill this 3/4 and let it set in refrigerator. So you can see, just pipe it. You can make a bigger bowl of Nutella depending upon the size of cookies you want to make. Now I will just tap it little bit and then we will directly put it into refrigerator. Now we will mix all our dry ingredients together. So here I have all-purpose flour and cornstarch, and I will add baking soda, and we will add salt, and then whisk all dry ingredients together. Now in a bigger bowl we will take butter and add both our sugar and whisk it until it's creamy. Then we will add our powdered sugar and brown sugar. Now we will whisk it until it turns creamy in texture. Then we will move forward with adding our liquid ingredients and folding our dry ingredients. You can see how aerated this is and it has turned creamy in texture. Now we will add curd to it. First, let's get all the mixture together. Mix it until the mixture becomes homogeneous. Now we will slowly add in our dry ingredients and fold it. I will add it in two parts. You can see dough has start to come together. Now you can see our dough has completely come together. We will let it set for some time. Then we will make balls of it, spread it, and put our set Nutella in it. We will clean film it and let it set in the refrigerator for around 20 to 30 minutes, and then we will start working with it. Until our cookie dough rests in refrigerator and gets chilled, let's unmold our semicircle Nutella cubes. Once it will be set, you can see how cute this is. I would quickly just put it on the base with an OHP. I will unmold it all and then again keep it in refrigerator until our dough is ready to be worked with. We will have to keep it set until we put it in the bowl of our cookie dough. Then it is completely okay once it is inside the cookie dough, because then we will be baking it and we want it to be fluid and a layer of Nutella should come out when we are breaking the cookie. Now see how cute this is. Now again we will put it in refrigerator and we will take cookie dough and this one out together and start assembling it into a cookie scoop, and then we will bake it together. Our Nutella has also set and our cookie dough has also been sitting in refrigerator for around 25 to 30 minutes. Now let's take it out and fill it and put it in our silicone mat. Here I have cookie dough and Nutella's semicircle spheres. Now if you are just making at home for enjoying this cookie, you can directly take any piece of cookie dough, put Nutella balls in it, and make it completely cover it and then bake it. But if you are making it for your home bakery or cafe, I would suggest you that you weigh the cookie dough which you are using. Here I am gonna take around 60 grams of cookie dough. Then first make a ball of it. Always use gloves when you are making any food products. I'm just going to utilize this at my home, so I have not been using, but for any kitchen I would always suggest that you use gloves before directly touching food products. Now I'm going to take one Nutella sphere, put it in center, and then cover it with cookie dough. Make sure that it's sealed completely from every side, or else when we put in baking, Nutella will melt and start coming out from the cookie. So make sure you have sealed it properly. I will do same with all the leftover cookie dough and Nutella balls. Here I have covered all the left Nutella balls with cookie dough, and you can see now it's ready for baking. But before baking it, I will again put it in refrigerator for around 20 to 30 minutes, so it will set properly, and then when we will bake it, it will have that chunkier look as well and flowing Nutella inside it. And on top of it, I am gonna stick few choco chips to give it more aesthetic look. It's completely optional if you want to just skip it and keep it Nutella focused only. Now I'm gonna put this in refrigerator and then directly put it for baking. Our cookies are baked and ready. You can see how beautiful and cute this looks. Doesn't this cookies reminds you of a Ghibli trend which was going a few months back? Now let me show you how it will be from inside. See how delicious this looks. A proper thick layer of Nutella covered with delicious cookies. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe and will surely make it at your home or for your bakery business. I have more such recipes live on my YouTube channel named Crazy Chef Kishan. Do check that out to level up your baking game. If you make these recipes and post it on Instagram, do tag me. I would surely love to see your creations as well. Until we meet next time, keep learning, keep baking, be crazy.